Why, Michelle? Is it a go? Yeah. Okay, I wasn't sure you were. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Motovan TV. Today Bart and I are going to proceed to the unboxing of the new EVS Hex Pro knee guard and the Flex Lite elbow guard.
All right, so let's open it. Thank you.
Yeah, so these are the latest protection from EVS.
Okay, so these are the knee guards.
These are the knee guards, yes. Okay. Basically, the main technology on this new protection from EVS is the what they call the RMF. Reactive memory foam.
Okay, well, what is it exactly?
Well, basically, it's a bit of a softer material. Okay, same good protection as normal, plastic protection, except it takes the form of your body, basically, form of your knee. And in the case of the elbow guard, it takes the form of your elbow. So way more comfortable, much lighter. So all around a more enjoyable ride when you're riding.
All right, and I see it offers actually quite a lot of protection because there is the knee protection, but there is also the shin guard protection here.
Yeah, good. You notice that? Yes, a bit of a shin protection, yes. And I don't know if you notice also here, there's the what they call track grip, which is a little silicone band all around.
Yeah.
What this does is it keeps the protection in place. So it won't move while you're riding.
Okay, it won't sleep. If you fall, let's say, the protection won't just go away.
No, exactly.
Yeah, okay, so you have this little strap here that comes around the leg, so it just really doesn't move at all.
This is just to tighten the whole thing into place here.
Okay.
Yes.
It's actually pretty light.
Very light, very light. It's actually very breathable as well.
Okay.
You can see here the mesh fabric, so no problem during extra warm days.
Yeah.
So all around, the EVS surpassed themselves here and did a really good job. So.
Let's move on with the elbow guards now. Okay, so
same thing, the reactive memory foam here.
Yep.
Okay, so as you can see, very flexible. The track grip, the silicone band here, so it stays on your arm
so
and
it doesn't move at all. Yep.
Yes. Breathable material, same thing. So again, very, very comfortable.
All right, so let me try this. So both the elbow and the knee guards offer the same protection.
Yes, exactly. Both of them have the new hex spring technology that we could see a bit here, which we don't see through the elbow guard.
Yeah.
And so on top of giving excellent protection, it has maximum airflow.
Oh, okay.
So very comfortable. EVS did an incredible job with these elbow and knee guards.
Yeah, they look really nice. I mean, there is all the technology aspect, but also the style. They look very stylish.
Oh, for sure. Even though we don't see them,
exactly.
It's still, you could see that it's quality and it was really well made. So.
All right, I think that's it.
That's it.
We covered it all.
Yeah. So just wrap up.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this unboxing. For all your protection needs, please visit motovan.com.
If you guys like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram at Motovan Inc.